Hi guys, we are still on Computex 2025 Day 1 coverage, and now we are here at the ROG booth as well as the Asus booth, and we are going to have a look and see what they have to offer in store for us this year. Let's go!
So this is our new keyboard called the ROG Fakata, and it's one of our first 75% split keyboard with ROG HFX magnetic switches. And as you can see, the most special part about this keyboard is that it is splittable. And the reason is because that everybody knows that the FPS gaming are basically the main control zone is right over here on the left side of the keyboard. And we split it and make sure that there is extra room for the mouse to have like a big swipe movement or some technique like 360 no scope for here. And also if you just want to for the daily use, just simply link both sides of the keyboard with this dedicated cable right over here to have a full 75% split layout and include the arrow keys and also the functions keys right over here. And also we also value the onboard settings as well. So here is a rapid trigger toggle right over here. You can straightly like flick on or off for the rapid trigger settings. And also we comes with a intuitive control cluster combined with the multifunction keys and multifunction wheels. So you could click this multifunction button, the volume, the playback, the brightness, and also the rapid trigger sensitivity, and also the actuation point.
I see.
The mouse is called the Harp 2 Ace. It's a brand new shape that is refined from the ROG M11, Harp-based M11 edition, and it's also co-developed with the Valorant Championship Demon 1. So as you can see, we have changed a little bit of the shape. So the waist of the mouse is built in slightly narrow for better control to when you hold it. And also we have a flatter palm area right over here, so it's a little bit shorter than the original one. But we use a new material. It's a bio-based nylon material that is also more light and stronger than the usual nylon. So it has a 70% lower carbon emissions and also 11% lower weight. And the most important thing is that we have an internal support structure in the mouse, so make the mouse more stronger when you hold it, and also the side rigidity is also stronger as well.
And is this the new mouse pad?
Yeah, the new mouse pad, the most important feature is that we are using the new cooling fabric to make the heat absorption and dispatching more faster than the usual mouse pad.
I would like to just show you quickly the new ROG Rio 4 360 ARGB cooler. So this is the black and white edition. So what is this special about this AIO is obviously the curved display screen. I do not think it is touchscreen. No, it is not touchscreen. One feature that differentiates this cooler from the rest is that the ability to move forward and backward. When you have a big motherboard like the Corsair Extreme, you know, a big VRM cooler with a screen, you want it front so that it doesn't block the view of the screen when it's in the case. Whereas when you use a smaller VRM cooler motherboard and with the RAM slot being closer to the CPU, you probably need it to push it backwards in order to fit the RAM. If you use a taller RAM, for example. So yesterday at the ROG Media Preview event, we did a demo on the BTF with the high power adapter on the tough RTX GPU. But today we have a ROG Extra RTX 5080, I believe, to also with a detachable high power adapter. And you can see here, the 16-pin adapter is still available in front for regular cable power delivery. And then at the back is where you have the detachable adapter into the back. So when you have a BTF motherboard with a golden connector built in, you can attach the power adapter and hook on the motherboard just like this without having any cable dangling in front. Right? Whereas when you use the same GPU on a standard motherboard that doesn't have the golden connector, all you need to do is detach the adapter, install your GPU like normal, and have the power delivery through the 16-pin cable as provided by NVIDIA as well. And now we are with Melanie to explain to us a little bit on the updated Rapture GTP
19,000 AI.
AI.
Yes.
Anything
AI
new
router.
with the AI version?
Yeah, this kind of new products combined with the AI CPU and NPU together. This is just for processor for AI. So this is by default when you buy the product. I want to show the difference between NCU router or non-NCU router. When we turn off it,
Turn off.
yeah, latency will increase and packet loss will something went wrong, like poor connections, and latency will increase, like around 44, 45, or 60. And this buffer house will keep decreasing because it's not so healthy.
It's buffering, yeah.
Yeah. Then, if we enable it, latency will drop. So routers with MPU not just pass data, it can understand data and act intelligently. So this is ideal for like IoT applications, enterprise securities that requires real-time decision making.
Okay, so this is a new ROG NOC 2025. We use the Intel's U9 ROG RTX and NVIDIA's RTX 5080 to support our overall performance. And in the overall thermal designs, we use the vapor chamber with a comprehensive theme to make our dissipation more efficiency.
Okay.
And inside there is a 3 different frames. So there is a 2 big frames that support the GPUs, and there is a 1 small frame that support the CPUs and the DDR to make sure the overall thermal solutions can run better.
This is our Air Vision M1. It is a wearable display. You can create virtual screen in the virtual space. If you wear on the glasses, you can see different screen in the space.
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try it. When you put on the glasses, please look far away and wait 3 seconds. Then you can see something in your glasses.
So if you can check out the monitor here, the monitor is showing exactly what I am actually seeing on the glasses. So I'm panning towards the left, I can see the racetrack. I can also hear sound from the racetrack from the video. And if I look right, is the browser with the glasses. And I can read the text.
When you go back to video, please stay on the video. I can double tap. So you only can see
the
one screen. So
now,
you can focus on this screen.
On this screen. Nice.
If you want to release, please double tap again. We also have a microphone and a speaker.
Okay.
So if you're using Gemini and with voice interactive, so it can record your voice and process
do a
the
direct translation. Nice.
So here you see it's our 32-inch 6K high resolution monitor. It's
32 inch
6K.
6K.
Yes,
6K is the
6K.
first one in Pro Art, right?
First one in Pro Art, yes. And the color gamut is 98% DCI-P3. Color accuracy is Kalman verified, delta E below 2. And here another feature, you will see, you will notice the laptop here. It has many reflection on the screen. But for our monitor, you don't see any reflection or glare because we have large pixel technology. Yeah.
And when is it going to come out?
It will become available this year in Q3.
Q3 as well.
Yeah.
Any pricing indication?
It depends on where you live,
Okay.
but for US market,
Okay.
it's around $11.99.
This is the entry-level workstation by Redmond system with the hot swap tray, and can up to use 4 HD to build your daily usage like mail server. We have also got an internal Type A for the security key. So you can install your Type A device to build your security without upgrade case or removing anything. Just install your room or your the mail room for the system building. So you can use it to your local server, something for the high-end usage, not only for the personal PC. It is the workstation. So it's just between these two segments, personal PC, the server is between.
This is probably like the next upgrade if you're looking for entry level. This will be the next upgrade.
Yeah, but it's not a high-end like server.
Yeah.
So it is a higher cost to build the whole system. For a workstation, it is a light usage to build just a lower cost. If you're price sensitive for your business, it is a suitable total solution to build in your business or your company.
Thank you so much, Lawrence. Thank you for your time.
Okay,
You've been
thank
very
you.
helpful. Thank you. Thank you. We have just completed the tour for ROG booth and Asus booth. As you can see, everyone is actually packing now. It's 6 o'clock already. We are just supposed to leave the hall by now. So anyway, lots of things to look forward to. I think most of the ROG and Asus stuff are coming out in Q3, early Q4. So looking forward to see how those products will fare when they come out later on. Anyway, I think that's about it for today here in Asus and ROG. Be sure to like, share and subscribe this video, and don't forget to tune in. We have more coverage tomorrow for day 2. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.